by show of hands. How many of you ready for the magic? Say aye. Aye. The name of the magic is four aces. What's the name of the magic?
Four aces.
I want a volunteer on the stage. Take half part from here and keep here. And take half part. Okay, take it here, keep here. Half part. And do here, like half part, take half part. Take this card fully. Put 3 cards down. From up. And put one card in another pot. And keep the balance card down. And take this card and do the same process. Fully. 2, 3 and put it. And take this card and do the same process. And keep it down. And take this card and do the same process. It's correct. And we are going to do magic. And turn all the cards from first. Here. No.
Bhuvanesh, kneel down, buddy. Okay.
The second magic name is Find the Age. What is the name?
Find the age.
I want. What's the name? First, take your age and double. Like your age is 10 something means 10 like the double. Add 4.
Add 4. Everybody's added 4.
Yes.
And divided by 2. And add 1. 11. 8. 17. 14. 12.
Nilani 12.
12. 9.
15.
15. 12.
18 for Vishal.
18. 15. The third magic name is spelling magic. What's the name?
Spelling magic.
Take any 9 card.
Any 9 cards.
We can take the third card. It is 10 of clubs. We can spell the number 10. T-E-N. 10. And keep the card back. And off. O-F. Off. C-L-U-B-S. Clubs. What we are doing?
Magic.
And spell the word of magic.
Yeah.
M-A-G-I-C. How many of you enjoy the magic? Say aye.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. I want you to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.